I am Glory, and in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create a Zoho form and how you can embed that form into your website. And the best part, which I love, is embedding it on your website, and we are getting there now. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the Zoho forms, and I am going to be using the embed option. So instead of using share with, that's the link. I am going to be using embed, and you can use iframe, JavaScript, hyperlink, HTML, whichever one. I prefer using iframe because it's easier. Yeah, it's easier to use. So I'm going to copy this code, then keep it somewhere. So I can copy this code, then go over to my website. So if you are using WordPress or if you are using Wix, whichever one, just go to your builder and just look for the elements code snippets, or look for the element code iframe, whichever one. So just copy that code and put it in the builder of your website. Then you have that in already. I use Zoho sites, and although my site is not yet complete, but because of this tutorial, I was thinking if I can just use that for now. Okay, so I'm going to head over to my site, and this is Zoho site, and I have different pages. I am going to put it in my, should I use home? Okay, I'm going to use home, my home page, and I'm going to put in that form in my home page. I am going to actually delete it after this. It's just for demonstration purpose, and I am going to be removing it. Okay, so now I'm in my site, and what I want to do is I want to put that particular form on this site. Okay, so I need this to load. Yeah, so I am currently in the home page of my website, and all I need to do is I need to put it down. Yeah, down. Then I want to add another element, and I want to, so it's the same thing if you're using WordPress. Just need to like click on add, then go over to the options you have, then click on put the petal embed iframe. If you see iframe, please use iframe. So I'm going to drag in this iframe, and I'm going to put it in here. Then I'm going to I'm going to paste. I'm going to paste my form in here, the code of my form. Then I'm going to click on OK. And that's it. Very simple, right? I know. Okay, so that means if you're filling in this form, it is going to go directly into Zoho Forms. And all they need to do is just put in their name, and their other information, and it is in. But you are going to notice something. This form is um this page is too short for the form. So what I am going to do is I'm going to increase the length of this form. Okay, so I am going to edit the length of this form, and I'm going to increase the height. That means in that particular code, I am going to increase the height. It is 500. Let me see how 900 is going to look like. And this is 900. Yep. So this is my form, and there is not that's thing that was here. It was not there again. So I have my form on my website, and I am good to go. Okay, so this is my onboarding form. When anybody comes into my website, then they can see this, then they can be able to fill in this form, and it goes into Zoho form. So the next thing I want to do is I want to publish this website. Yeah, it's loading. Okay, so for illustration purpose, my site is not yet secured. So okay, so we can be able to see that from down there. So yeah, that's kind of simple, right? Yeah, so we have our form on our website, and people can come in and fill in the form, and the details get into Zoho forms.